Timestamps are one of those things that look simple until you ship them. Your server stores everything in UTC, which is correct, but not all of your readers live in the UTC time zone. So if there was a post that was written at 22:18 or 10:18 in the evening, and if it is displayed like that for someone in Chicago, then you're leaving them to do the time zone math in their head to try to figure out whether that this was this afternoon or last night or something else. And there's a couple of approaches that you can do to fix this. You can ask every user to pick a time zone and render it from the server, but then you're asking them to configure something that their browser already knows. So in this episode, we're going to let the browser do the work. The server renders each timestamp exactly once in UTC, and we're going to create a small stimulus controller that rewrites it into the own user's time zone without any gems or external libraries. And one neat thing about this is that we're also going to have a ticker where it's going to update the time ago in words every 15 seconds. So without refreshing the page, we're going to be able to see this time increment on how long ago it was created. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftingruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.